Namaste and welcome to Yogami. I am your coach Deepika Lalwani. And before we start today's practice, let's take a moment and become aware of our body. Take a few deep breaths and bring the mind to this moment. Now, standing up tall on your mat, bring your hands to your thighs. Spread your toes out and ground your feet completely. Roll the shoulders back and down away from the ears. And as you inhale, lift your shoulders towards your ears. Exhale, shoulders down. We will repeat this shoulder squeeze a few times and keep breathing deeply. Now let's start making rainbows with our shoulders. Exhale, bring the shoulders forward. Inhale, take the shoulders back. When the shoulders come forward, feel the stretch in your upper back, and when the shoulders go back, feel the stretch in your chest. Now make full circles with your shoulders. Pay attention to the movement of your shoulder blades. Try to make this bigger and then reverse the direction. Now lift up your arms in the front and turn your palms upward. Exhale as you tap your fingers on the shoulders and inhale, extending your arms. Repeat this a few times, warming up your biceps and triceps, and then bring your arms wide. As you exhale, tap your thumb on the shoulder. Inhale, lengthen the arm. Repeat this a few times. And then bring your elbows together in the center. Inhale, going up and out. Exhale, bring the elbows together. Let's draw big circles with our elbows. Repeat this a few times and then change the direction. Keep drawing big circles, completely aware of your body. Bring the hands back to your thighs. And let's make big arm circles, expanding our chest, reaching the ceiling. Reverse the direction of arm circles and repeat a few times. Now lift up your arms over your head, bend at the elbow and grab the opposite elbows with your hands. Your feet slightly apart and start rotating from the lower back. Try to look behind you. Repeat this a few times, every time trying to rotate a little bit more, opening up our spine. Now place your feet slightly more wider. Stand upright and start making hip circles in a clockwise manner. This movement will also serve as a warm-up for your lower back, hips, and hamstrings. Let's change the direction and move in an anti-clockwise manner. Finish about 8 to 10 repetitions. And then bring your feet back together. Now pull your right knee to the chest, standing up tall and balancing on the left foot. And then pull your left knee to the chest, standing up tall and balancing on the right foot. Let's repeat the standing Pavan Muktasana a few times on each side. Remember to keep your spine upright and don't forget to breathe. Now, let's practice our forward bends. Stand up tall, bring your hands on the hips and lift up your chest as you inhale. Exhale, go into a forward bend. Come back up. Remember to keep your back nice and long, not rounding up your upper back. This movement will also help in warming up your lower back, hips and hamstrings. Repeat this a few times. Now hold your body there and move your arms in circular manner. Imagine you're swimming with your arms right now. Bend forward, swim with the arms. Come back up. Bend forward, swim with the arms. Come back up. Repeat this a few times. And now our body is ready for today's flow, so let's get started.